The fall following my graduation, I started my first year at Harvard Law School.
I just started a job as a lab manager at Brown University.
I'm a senior content strategist on the Google Assistant's personality team.
Legal Outreach reached out to me saying that they were looking for an academic advisor. They think I'd be perfect for the job.
I'm making a film about Anthony Fauci. I'm telling his story following him for the last 14 months.
They had read my book, All Things Cease to Appear, and Netflix is going to make the film. Amanda Seyfried decided she would do it.
As a freelance journalist, I could not do what I do if I hadn't gone to Hampshire. I didn't go to journalism school, and I didn't need to go to journalism school because I had Hampshire behind me, which meant that I could go into a situation and just figure it out.
The ability for Hampshire to craft your own educational experience is one that helped me stand out in my law school applications.
By the time I finished my post-graduation job, I'd convinced my boss there that Hampshire students are the best students to have at that job because we have so much research experience that most undergrads don't have.
There's this sort of transformative creative problem-solving element that served me really well in my career now that I think a lot of employers are looking for. The ability to both sort of know the boundaries of a system and know how to push on them.
The founder of Wavelength, the company that I work for, her daughter went to Hampshire, and that is one of the many reasons why I think I was hired for the job, is because she just knew what that meant. You're going to be able to figure shit out. It doesn't matter if you know anything about it or not. You're going to be able to get in there and get kind of deep into it and report back to me and tell me what's going on and what we need to do. I think in the film industry and a lot of industries, you need people like that.
Once you're out in the world, you have to figure it out yourself, and it is less anxiety inducing because you've done it, at Hampshire, and you know how to find your own path.
All the Hampshire alum I've spoken to have made very strategic moves. You kind of go back to the basics of what you've learned at Hampshire, which is what do I want to do? A lot of the skills that I've learned are transferable. It's just about which organization, why, and when.
It is possible to have a liberal arts education that produces outstanding alumni while also providing a different way to look at not just the world, but oneself and one's ability to lead.
From what I can see of the alums and their illustrious careers, it seems to have worked. It seems to have worked very well.